Hello everyone, in this video I am going to demonstrate the Lissajous figures using some items which are available in our home. So first I take a utensil from the kitchen, tie a thread around it and it becomes our oscillator. And I take this oscillator and hang it to a curtain rod. So presently it is hung and it is in the mean position. There are two horizontal sticks, vertical and horizontal. Horizontal is x-axis, vertical is y-axis, and we are viewing using a mobile phone with its front camera. And there is a gasket, cooker gasket, which acts as a guide to the eye. So first let us understand what is the meaning of initial conditions and phase. So now presently the oscillator is taken to the negative extreme, and when it is released it makes the oscillation. So this corresponds to a phase of pi and it oscillates with a certain frequency. Now it can be taken to the x extreme, and the beauty of this system is both x and y frequencies are equal, and this makes the system same as what is discussed in undergrad textbooks, that is x frequency and y frequency are equal and various Lissajous figures are discussed. So in this case the oscillator is taken to the positive extreme, and when it is released it makes an oscillation with a certain frequency, and this corresponds to initial phase of 0. Also there is one more special case where initial position will be 0 but initial speed is non-zero. So this corresponds to in general the oscillator can be started its motion a combination of initial position and initial speed. However, I will be going to use this very special cases. Now the second thing to understand for this visualization is which is time t equal to 0. So for Lissajous figures it is the path of the oscillator when it is disturbed in two perpendicular directions simultaneously. So to achieve that, first what I will do is I will start the oscillation in one of the directions. Let us say here it is x direction. So while it is doing the oscillation in the x direction, I will make it to oscillate in the y direction. So the instant I make the y oscillation to start, that is t equal to 0, and the phases of x and y should be considered at that point, the initial phase of x and initial phase of y. So I'll stop the video here. So when I'm going to hit, the video will be slowed down for a better view. Also sometimes when the Lissajous figure is happening, the video will be slowed down. So now the stick has come. So both the phases are 3 pi by 2, hence phase difference is 0. So it makes a straight line with acute angle with the positive x-axis. Now let us see obtuse angle, and this happens when the angle is pi. Case 2, straight line making an obtuse angle. Now for straight line, the object has to be hit for the perpendicular direction at the mean position, but to get an ellipse the object has to be disturbed at the extreme position. The y oscillation is happening and the x oscillation has to be started when y is on its extreme, either positive or negative or any other place for that matter. Any phase difference would give ellipse. Now this is a ellipse making an acute angle with x-axis. So this corresponds to a phase difference of maybe 0 to pi by 2 somewhere. So the exact phase cannot be calculated because it is not visible. So ellipse in the counterclockwise direction. So the object will be hit in a reverse direction compared to the earlier case. It is hitting from left to right. So now it is hit, and I'm showing a slow motion ellipse. So the phase could be between 3 pi by 2 and 2 pi. So for a detailed discussion, look at my video on visualization. Now let us look at very thin ellipse counterclockwise. Now in this case, the oscillation will be started, that is Lissajous oscillation will be started not at 0, 3 pi by 2, but some place between pi and 3 pi by 2. So it is starting neither at x equal to 0 nor x equal to extreme, when it is between y is equal to maximum to y is equal to mean. So now it is just before it reaches equilibrium, so it makes a very thin ellipse. Now circle is a very interesting example. It is a special case of ellipse where the phase difference has to be pi by 2 and x amplitude and y amplitude must be same. Only under these conditions we observe a circle. So that is why demonstrating or observing a circle in this experiment is very difficult, and the one which I am showing, I have got it about after 30 to 40 iterations. So the object goes to the extreme, once again it goes to extreme, it is hit. Now let us wait for 3 oscillations and then let's see what happens. Yeah, from this oscillation we can see it's almost circle, because ensuring equal amplitude is very difficult because it is done manually, but nevertheless we can see it is almost a circle. So thank you for watching this video.